Brought to you by
Combliminary Sports.
Please support the channel through cashapp $wrbarch. We will greatly appreciate all the support. As always, we thank you very much. And please carry on.
Here is a quick look of many rooms inside this mansion. This episode will show the movie room. The movie room is sometimes an overlooked component, but in this particular case the movie room is extremely important. This room has a built-in bar that was initially sketched in AutoCAD. The room was drawn in Revit and later animated for presentation purposes. You can really appreciate the movie room because it takes on the culture of a traditional movie theater. The architect plans on adding a popcorn machine, which will add that movie theater smell and feel.